In this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Claude Code to Go High Level in 4 simple steps. As you can see from the screen, this is my Go High Level interface. So step number 1 is grabbing your private integration token. In order to do this, you need to go into settings, which is like left screen, left at the bottom over here. Scroll down to private integrations, hit create new integration, name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine Claude Code MCP. Now select all the scopes. This pretty much just gives Claude permission to read and action every single thing inside your Go High Level. Hit create, confirm the security warning. It will generate a token. Starts with pet_live as you can see on the screen. Of course, I'm not going to show you my token. Copy that immediately and save it for step number 2. Step number 2 is you're going to grab your location ID. So still under settings, you want to go to business profile. The location ID is right at the top of the page as you can see from my arrow. Copy it. You need only 2 things to make this connection work: the token from step number 1 and this location ID, and that's everything. One thing worth knowing over here, a quick fact: MCP is just the bridge that lets Claude talk directly to other tools and no middleman. So it's a direct line between Claude and Go High Level in this particular case. Step number 3, and this is the final step: open Claude Code. You can use it inside VS Code as well. I'm just more comfortable using it in my Claude Code desktop version. Once you're in, you're just going to type in this prompt which you see on the screen. So it's going to be connect me to the Go High Level MCP. This is the link. I'm going to leave that in the description below as well for you to just access it. Use my PIT token and my location ID. This is where you're going to pretty much plug in your location ID and PIT token from step 1 and step 2, and then just say wired up automatically. Give it like a few seconds and that's it. Boom, step number 4, it's done. This is pretty much where you're going to have access to at least 36 tools available, as you can see from the screen, coming directly from Go High Level itself. The Go High Level MCP is installed in Claude Code. Now the biggest question is, what can you actually use as a business with Go High Level and Claude Code? And here are 5 most common use cases that I've seen so far and that I personally use as well. Number 1, you can re-engage your code leads without ever lifting a finger directly inside Claude Code. If you just put in this one prompt that you see on the screen, ask Claude to show you every single contact that you haven't had a conversation with in the last 90 days or 60 days. It pulls up the list automatically. You can literally tell it to send a follow-up email or SMS. It does it immediately. That's a task that used to literally take 1 hour. Now it's just 1 sentence away. Number 2, you can check your pipeline without ever logging into Go High Level. You can ask Claude where your deals are sitting right now. It reads your entire pipeline, tells you what's moving, what's stuck. You get a clear picture in seconds instead of clicking through 5 different screens inside Go High Level. Number 3, you can create and update your contacts by just typing one prompt into Claude. No more opening Go High Level, navigating to contacts, filling in fields manually. You just type it into Claude, it will input it into your CRM. Number 4, you can audit your entire CRM in one single command. You can just ask Claude, who's on my contact list who had 0 touch points this year? It tells you exactly who that person is. That's a list you would normally have to build manually in the past years, and now it can be done automatically in seconds with Claude Code. Number 5, you can trigger your existing Go High Level workflows from Claude. So this is actually a game changer, because the automations you have already built, like the follow-up sequences, nurture sequences, Google review automations, appointment reminders, you can fire them up from Claude with just one text command. So your CRM stops being something you log into every single day and starts being something that actually responds to you like a very cool autonomous AI agent. All right, that's the connection. 4 simple steps in under 5 minutes on how you can actually access Go High Level inside your Claude Code, saving you a ton of time with the 5 biggest use cases for any business. If you are a business owner who wants to get your own custom AI brain to run the entire operations in autopilot, our team can actually help you out. Check out the first link in the description below to work with us.